If you use Android phone and you really want to maintain your privacy, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to restrict access to calls and SMS for unknown apps on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the first thing to do is to make sure we enable developer mode on our Android phone. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to hand over to our Android phone right there and go to settings in our Android phone. So go to settings and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the search settings right here. So what you need to do right there is to simply type in build number. Then click on search. So it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on build number, which is under system about of the phone. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. So under the build number right here, what you need to do is to continue to tap the build number until you are enabled. So a step away from being a developer. Now you are now a developer. It's that simple. After you have successfully enabled developer options on your Android phone, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and head over back to your settings right here. So I'm going to click on settings right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on search and settings. Then what you need to do right here is to simply type in developer. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on developer options. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down. Continue to scroll down until you see restrict. Continue to scroll down right here until you see restrict SMS and call log access. What you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button right here. It's that simple. After that, restart your Android phone, and with that, unknown apps will not have access to your phone calls or SMS without any stress. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.